This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File, then Page Setup. This is the only reliable place to control document margins. Enter numeric values for top, bottom, left, and right in inches or centimeters, and watch the live preview. Once set, click Set as Default if you want every new document to use these margins. Make sure to apply to whole document versus this section if available. This gives you a consistent base, so later adjustments aren't fighting hidden settings. Once done with page setup, verify the horizontal ruler is visible and use its left and right indent markers to fine-tune where text begins. That's useful for lists and paragraphs. Make sure you inspect section breaks. Different sections can override margins. If a section has custom margins, change it to whole document or edit that section directly. Also inspect header and footer sizes because they can make content appear to violate the page margins. Adjust those settings accordingly. To finish, always use Print Preview or Export to PDF to confirm margins render correctly for printing or sharing. If margins still look wrong, remove or consolidate section breaks, reset paragraph styles to default, then reapply page setup values. That sequence clears hidden overrides. If exporting to PDF fixes the issue, you're done. If not, check for tables or images with set widths that push past margins. One tip: deleting a problematic section and copying content into a fresh document with your default page setup often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.